Here yesterday I went for how to drop a pin on Google Maps, and all you have to do is to launch the Maps application on your devices. And from here, you're going to choose a place that you would like to pin. So I'm going to pinch with both my two hands in order for me to choose where I would like to pin my location. Let's see any. From here, I am going to press. As you can see, it has already appeared. And I'm going to tap on sale, and then I'm going to tap on either this is a favorite place, or it's a place that I would like to go, or it's on my travel plans. From there, once I choose which one is okay, so let's say I'm going to choose travel plans. If you want to add a note, you can add a note. Then I'm going to tap on done. From there, I am going to scroll until I see share, and then I can decide to share it to my WhatsApp application, to the person that I would like to share it to, and it will appear to them as if I am in this place. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.